All right, so in this question, we have to establish that we're looking at two six-sided die. They're being rolled here, and a chance of getting a doubles or a sum of 10. Now, these are not mutually exclusive because you could get a 5 and a 5, and that satisfies both these things. So we need to keep that in mind when we do it. So as I'm looking at this thing here, what I think about is looking at it as the probability of getting doubles or a sum of 10, okay, which is fine. Which means that we'd break this down as probability of doubles or, which is addition, the probability of a sum of 10, okay, sum of 10, and then we need to subtract out that overlap. And there's only one way for that to happen, but that's the probability of getting doubles and a sum of 10. So doubles and sum of 10, okay? So that situation. So if I'm looking at this thing here, I like to just write these out because it's really not that much work. But if I'm taking a look at the number of ways that I could have the probability of rolling doubles here, I'm going to write that out just as doubles. And so I could get a 1, 1, a 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. And I'm going to skip, actually, I'll go ahead and keep it in here. So 5, 5, 6, 6. So those are all my doubles that I could have. Okay. Sum of 10, I could get that by doing a 4 and a 6 and a 4, or a 5 and a 5. Okay? And then I'm also looking at a situation here in terms of, what about both? Well, the only one that shows up in both of them is the 5 and 5. So you could just go ahead and count the, take it out of the others and just count it separately, or since I already wrote this formula, they're doubles. There are going to be 6 different ways that I could get doubles, so that's 6 out of 36 because there's 2 die being rolled here. And then I have 3 of them where I had the sum of 10, so 3 out of 36, minus the probability that I have both, which is going to be a 1 out of 36. So here I have 9 minus 1, so this would be 8 out of 36, which is approximately 22.22%. We could have also done this thing out using a Venn diagram, and that's a possibility too if that works for you.